Hello, all you crazies out there. Alan here. This is a special live edition of U.S. Sane.
Look, I don't like you, but my wife really did. Because of that, and only that, I think it's fitting that you be the one to tell my story. This thing starts beeping, or you just follow me.
What would you be doing if that starts beeping?
Running like hell back to the house.
Don? Give me a second, Alan. Don, what's going on?
I think this is bigger than we thought.
How big are we talking?
Oh, we're talking big. There's a giant beast that lives in the woods. My plan is to lure it to my house, trap it, and kill it. She was beautiful. In some way I can't really describe. I can't wait to kill her.